There is always a question in everyone's mind if yoga is effective for weight loss. The simple answer to this question is yes. You can burn fat with very simple yoga routine. If you want to lose weight but don't like doing hardcore workout which leaves your body sore and tired, then this video is just for you. Hello viewers, welcome to Nuruveda. Today in this video, we are going to see 6 yoga poses that can help you lose weight. But before we do that, let's see who should choose yoga for weight loss and why. If you prefer a weight loss method that will not leave your body feeling sore and tired, yoga is the best option. Yoga is made to strengthen your body, enhance balance and relaxation. The different yoga poses for burning calories are mild and therefore they will not elevate your heart rate to the extent of burning more calories. If you do not want to lose much weight within a short period, doing yoga for a weight loss is your ideal option. Another reason you should choose yoga is that it helps build stamina and therefore your body will not be prone to injuries during vigorous exercises. It will help you target a specific muscle of the body that you wish to tone. Yoga is also an ideal option for people with mobility issue, injuries or joint problems. However, such people need to talk with a physician before engaging in a physical activity to avoid worsening the condition. Now, let's look into those 6 yoga poses for weight loss one by one. Number 1. Sarvangasana, that is shoulder stand. This posture helps you strengthen your abdominal muscle and help relax your lower back. To perform this asana, simply lie down on a yoga mat. Raise both of your legs by keeping your knee and body straight. While exhaling, bring your arms to hold your waist and try to push your body upwards. Your whole body is now supported by your arms and elbows. Stay in this pose for a minute. You can inhale while you slowly lower the hips and come back to lying position. Be careful while doing this pose. Improper posture can cause body strain. Take a deep breath and relax. Number 2. Dhanurasana, which is called bow pose. This posture can help strengthen your abdominal muscle that helps in weight loss. To perform this asana, simply lie down on a floor or yoga mat by placing the face downwards. Now bend your knees and clasp your feet with your hand. Inhale and lift your body upwards. Make sure your body is supported by your hands and your feet. Stay in this pose for few seconds. Release this pose by exhaling. Number 3. Kumbhakasana, the plank pose. This plank pose is easy and effective to burn your abdominal fat and help tone your muscle. To perform this asana, lie down on a ground or yoga mat by keeping your face downwards. Now lift your entire body upwards by keeping the side arms on the yoga mat. Your arms and toes support your entire body. Hold this pose till you can. Repeat this pose for few times, then relax. Number 4. Naukasana, boat pose. This pose can help to core your muscle in the body that helps in weight loss. To perform this pose, lie down on a ground or yoga mat by keeping your face upwards. Keep your hands and legs straight. Relax your body. Now, slowly lift your hands and legs together and reach a 45-degree angle. Uplift your body so that your eyes are in a straight line to your feet. Hold it for 60 seconds and breathe gently. Number 5. Vasisthasana, which is side plank pose. This is another version of plank pose that helps to tone the entire abdominal muscle. To perform this asana, lie down on a ground or yoga mat. Move sideways and tilt your body to either left or right side. Now lift the arm which is at the top position. Stay in this pose for 15 to 30 seconds. Return to original posture. Number 6. Trikonasana, which is triangle pose. To perform this exercise, simply stand straight on the ground with feet apart. Try to keep your right foot straight at 90 degrees while your left foot is 15 degrees. Inhale deeply and exhale while turning your body to the right side and a little downward from your hip. Keep your right hand on a downward position while the other hand upwards. Stay in this position for 15 to 20 seconds. Come back to the old position and repeat this yoga pose, same on other side. That's it for today. Hope you will be benefited with these 6 yoga poses. If you like our video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest update on videos. If you have any suggestion, write to us in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.